Hi guys, it's our first time to post a video on YouTube, and today I found these two new surprises. It's called LOL Surprise Bubbly Surprise. I think it's new and this was only released in Hong Kong by today. Okay, Chloe to help us open these two new surprises. Chloe, are you excited?
Yes.
Which one do you want to open?
This.
Oh, this one, okay. This one. How many balls are there? Take it out, take it out, take it out.
6 balls.
So there are 3 pink ones and 3 dark pink. What is it? Baby blue and a baby pink color. And this is the sticker we have it. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so cute, so cute, so cute.
Pink.
And that pink one.
That pink one. Oh no, the t-shirts.
It's a sailor one.
Yeah.
Sailor outfit. So nice. It's a blue one.
T-shirts. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
So beautiful, right?
So cute.
Okay, now you open this.
Candies.
Okay.
Oh no.
What is it?
Oh,
This is the headband. So cute.
I like heaven.
Like it?
Yes.
Okay. What else? What else we have here?
I don't know. Maybe shoes.
Maybe a pair of shoes, right?
Yes.
Let's see if it's a shoes or not. Are you excited?
I cannot.
You want me to help you? It's the scissor, yeah. Okay.
Let's open it.
Okay.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. Can you open it?
I opened so hard. Oh! It's mermaid. The t-shirt. Wow.
So cute.
Cute.
It's a silver one. Okay.
I opened other one ball.
Okay.
You see. It's shiny one. Maybe a shoes. Or not a shoes.
Or maybe a dress.
No,
You think it's a dress?
No, maybe a shoes or the new one. Cute dress. Okay, maybe.
Okay.
I cannot. Thank
Pop
you.
it. Okay.
Pop it.
Wow, it's a what?
Wow, it is the
Dress.
dress.
Why the picture is purple and this one is blue one? But I like the blue ones look like a
Yes.
sailor outfit, right?
Yes. The puppy is so cute.
The puppy is so cute.
Yes.
Let's open another bowl.
Another bowl. So heavy.
So heavy, this
Yes.
one.
I don't know. It's a so the heavy one. Wow. What is this?
Oh,
shoes.
A pair of shoes. What color is it?
And
What color are those shoes?
the shoes is the
Black.
black
Shoes.
shoes and the blue shoes.
Wow, this is so cute,
The
right?
puppy shoes. I don't know.
I don't know, maybe it's her shoes. Yeah. Okay, take it away first. And then the last ball. What is it? Maybe an accessories or a bottle. Do you think it's a bottle?
No, I think this. Yes, bubble.
Probably a bottle, right?
Yeah, it's right. I open now. I pop. Oh, blue.
Blue sand. What is it?
Oh,
Is it swimsuit? Oh, so nice.
adorable.
So beautiful, right? Let me see.
Okay.
There's stripes and green stripes
Yeah.
and a blue swimsuit. So
Now we open this one heart. So beautiful. Its heart is broken.
the heart is broken.
Open it.
Can you open it?
Yes, I try.
Okay, let me help you, okay?
Okay.
Wow.
I open this.
Not that first. Take it out first. How many surprises are there inside?
Three.
3 surprises, okay.
I open it.
Open this one.
I open this one. Wow! So beautiful. Oh no. I have it.
Okay, what is it?
It is a puppy.
So nice, right? So cute.
What is this? Oh no! So cute. The
The
bug.
bottle is there's a blue one on top and a pink. Blue and pink, just like the sailor.
And I open this.
The sisters, right?
Sister.
Which doll is it? I'm so excited.
My mom is excited. My mom is like LOL and squishy.
together?
I put it there.
Wow, so nice.
Nice.
So pretty.
You see.
Can you see? It's a swimsuit. Wow. What about the puppy?
The puppy is so
So cute. There's a star on its bottom.
yeah.
I think it's a star tattoo. What about the sister? The doll.
The doll is.
Oh, it's so nice. I like it. Do you like it? Chloe, do you like it? Let me see.
Is it? So cute, right? You see?
Beautiful.
And beautiful. You watch the puppy and the sister girl
Has a
has
sailor
a
outfit.
sailor outfit
And a mermaid.
and a mermaid
outfit.
outfit.